Hello everyone, welcome to PJ Chemistry channel. Today we are going to discuss some calculations. Okay, previous video already I given almost related mole concept, basic information and formulas. See here now, just I am going to take one example and through that example I am going to give complete information how to use. I am taking 2 moles of CO2 carbon dioxide. 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Now, how many ways chances to ask questions? How many ways chances to ask questions? 2 moles of calcium carbonate, 2 moles of carbon dioxide contains how many grams? One question. How many grams? Next, 2 moles of carbon dioxide contains how many atoms? Next, 2 moles of carbon dioxide contains how many Avogadro numbers? 2 moles of carbon dioxide contains how many particles? 2 moles of carbon dioxide contains 2 moles of carbon dioxide occupy how many liters volume? How many liters volume occupy? Okay, these are the questions like this. Just with one example, I'm explaining. You can change the examples and you can go through it. Maximum mode of questions like this. Okay, so whatever let them give, already we know 1 mole. 1 mole is equals to how many particles? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. 1 mole is equals to 1 Avogadro number. 1 Avogadro number is equals to 6.0 to 10 power 23 particles. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters. Okay, like this. This relation, if you have in your mind, easy to overcome this problem. Now see here, as per first question, how many grams? First, 1 mole of CO2 contains how many grams? Calculate. Carbon dioxide. Yes, first question. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Its molecular mass. 1 carbon plus 2 oxygens. Carbon mass number is 12. 2 into oxygen mass number is 16. Total 12 plus 32. 44. Okay. This is 1 mole value. 1 mole of CO2 contains 44 grams. 1 mole of CO2 contains 44 grams. 2 moles of CO2 contains how many grams here? 1 mole 44 means 2 moles, 2 into 44. So its answer is 88 grams. 88 grams. Next question. How many atoms are present in it? So 1 mole of CO2 contains how many atoms are there? 1 carbon, 2 oxygens. Total 3 atoms are there. 3 Avogadro number of atoms. So in 1 mole 3 atoms means in 2 moles multiplication. Total 6 atoms. 1 mole 3 atoms. In 1 mole 1 carbon 2 oxygens. Total 3 atoms are there. 1 mole 3 into Avogadro number of atoms. If you take for 2 moles, how much? Cross multiply. So 2 into 3, 6. 6 Avogadro number of atoms, its answer. 6 Avogadro number of atoms. Next, already we know here 1 mole is equals to 1 Avogadro number. 1 mole is equals to 1 Avogadro number. So 2 moles of CO2 contains how many Avogadro numbers? 1 mole is equals to 1 Avogadro number, 2 moles is equals to 2 Avogadro numbers. 2 Avogadro numbers. Okay. Next, how many particles? 2 moles of carbon dioxide contains how many particles? 1 mole of any substance contains 6.023 to 10 to the power of 23 particles. Means 2 moles, 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. Okay. Next, 2 moles of carbon dioxide occupies how many liters? Volume. Already we know 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters. 2 moles means 2 into 22.4 liters. Its answer is 2 into 22.4 liters volume. Children, understood, right? Like this, we have to take. Always we need to compare with 1 mole how much. Next, given question how much. If you have this idea, very easy to overcome this problem. Okay. Now, try to solve this. 5 moles of calcium carbonate contains how many atoms? How many atoms? Yes, start immediately. Immediately. 1 mole of calcium carbonate contains how many atoms first? Calcium carbonate, take formula. CaCO3, calcium carbonate. It contains 1 calcium plus 1 carbon plus 3 oxygens. Total how many atoms are there? 1, 2 plus 3 oxygens. Total 5 atoms are there. So 1 mole of CaCO3 contains 5 Avogadro number of atoms. 5 Avogadro number of atoms. Now, 5 moles of CaCO3 contains how many Avogadro number of atoms? 5 moles of CaCO3 contains how much? Yes, cross multiply. At the time, when we cross multiply 5 into 5, 1 mole, 5, 5 moles, 5 into 5. Okay, total 5 into 5. Avogadro number of atoms. 5 into 5 means 25. Okay, sometimes option they given particles. At that time, Avogadro number 1 Avogadro number is equals to 6.02 to 10 power 23 particles. As per that, you have to take any Avogadro number plus 6.02 to 10 power 23 particle into 25. If we calculate, we will get particles how many are there. Okay. Yes. Now the question is 25 grams of calcium carbonate contains how many moles? How many moles? This is the question. 25 grams of calcium carbonate contains how many moles? So to calculate the grams to mole formula already we know, right? Given number of grams in the question divided by molecular mass of the particular formula. So first calculate the molecular mass of calcium carbonate CaCO3 calcium plus carbon plus 3 oxygens. Calcium mass number is 40, carbon 12 and 3 into 16 oxygen mass number. So total you will get here 100. This is for 1 mole value. So 1 mole of calcium carbonate 100 grams. Here question they given first grams, next asking find out moles. Grams, how many moles? So our answer also first we are going to take it in grams. 100 grams. 100 grams of calcium carbonate is nothing but 1 mole of calcium carbonate. 100 grams of CaCO3 contains 1 mole. 1 mole. Now, as per the question, 25 grams of calcium carbonate contains how many moles? X cross multiply. X into 100 is equals to 25 into 1. X value we need to find out. So 25 by 100. Yes. If you simplify it, 25 ones, 25, 4. Means 1 by 4 mole. 1 by 4 mole. Then simplify 0.25 mole. Okay, children, understood, right? Like this questions, there is a chapter. They will ask. Now take one more question. Same question, same question. 25 grams of calcium carbonate contains 25 grams of calcium carbonate contains how many atoms? How many atoms? Okay, 25 grams of CaCO3 contains how many atoms? Now immediately atoms, no question between the grams atoms. So first, whatever you take it, grams atoms. 100 grams of, here already we calculated, no? 100 grams of calcium carbonate contains how many atoms? 1 calcium, 1 carbon, 3 oxygens. Total 5 Avogadro number of atoms. So calculate 100 grams of CaCO3 contains 100 grams of CaCO3 contains 5 Avogadro number of atoms. Now 25 grams contains how much? 25 grams of CaCO3 contains how much? Just we want to observe relation between what they are asking. Grams of atoms. Okay. Grams, 100 grams. We calculated already for 1 mole. Okay. So 100 grams of CaCO3 contains 5 atoms. 5 Avogadro number of atoms. 25 grams means how much? Cross multiply. X is equals to 25 by 100 into Avogadro number of atoms. So it's nothing but 1 by 4, sorry, here, into 5 Avogadro number of atoms. So 1 by 4 into 5 Avogadro number of atoms is nothing but 5 by 4 Avogadro number of atoms. You can simplify it still if you want. Still, thank you to all. If you have any doubts in this, okay, your doubts, whatever clarification required, just send one message. Okay, I will try to give clarity in the next video. Thank you.